This is Rajan, and today we are going to talk about hearing aid, which is basically a device which is designed to improve hearing by making sound audible to a person with hearing loss. Those who have hearing loss problems, so it is a device which are made for them, and it is totally based on signal processing application, which I will explain later. So problem statement first I will show. Problem statement. Our problem is to design a program to process the audio and analyze the spectrum of voice by using sample frequency and to execute a MATLAB code to execute the program. Now introduction. Hearing aid is a device, as I said, that is designed to improve hearing by making sound audible to those who are suffering from hearing loss. It means that it should gather the sound and direct it to ears directly with some amplification, and also it should always be audible for the person who has the device. It means that it should not make enough noise, or it should not distort the sound. And the last point is it includes feedback management and frequency lowering and also noise reduction. So I will go there later. Theoretical implementation. Look, my device name is microphone Realtek R audio, and my number of channels is only one. As you know, means I can speak with only one channel. It means by audio or by voice. Uh, Sampling rate, also I have to give the sampling rate, which will change. If it's changed, then it will cause the distorting of the sound, which I will show later. And also mic data type is double, means it is the command which is used for copying the exact data from input, sorry. This is also I have written. And also mic buffer size is 128 kbps is the general size, as you know, for sound like 128 to 56. You can take as much as you want, but 128 is the general size. And also mic duration is 2. So I will go next to algorithm and then implementation. Algorithm is simple. Start MATLAB, type the code, execute the code. Also, after executing the code, it will ask for my voice, which will record. And as you see, I have written it. My queue duration is 2 seconds. Means it will double the sound. Means it will hear it and it will see it again in 2 seconds. So I will show the algorithm. Algorithm means start MATLAB, type the code, execute the code, record the voice, and when the voice is recorded, it will be doubled after 2 seconds. Then filter the voice, and it will show the spectrum of the voice and the time of voice which it had saved. So I will show it here, like implementation part. So first, samples per frame of 1024, which is a basic 1024 kbps is the screen size, and sampling frequency is 44,100, which is given here, and time is 10 seconds. Uh, it is not necessary that you should take 10 seconds. You can take more, but this is general time. Means I took 10 seconds because in that time I can explain more. Also, mic display audio recorder, mic samples per frame. This is the program to initialize the audio recorder, which for MATLAB. And also it has the same type which I have already told you. uh, Implementation: create and configure an audio player system object. Okay, so yeah. Audio player DSP audio player sampling rate FS, and scope parameter initiation scope, means sample rate, time span, position, y limit or and x limits, or minus 1 to 1. So that will show in scope, time scope also. And then spectrum analyzer, in which it will analyze the spectrum, like plot as two-sided spectrum, and also that stream processing loop. It should be here. Yeah, it should be. So stream processing loop means data is always the mic which we are saying data, and step means doubling the data, means those voice which we are playing is doubling it. The computer is doubling it. That's what I want to say. And then release hardware. Okay, what we have to show? First thing, mic. We have to show the mic that we are doubling it, and second, audio player I have to release, and third is scope, which will be the graphical representation, and also spectrograph. So that's how we will show. Now I would like to go to next page, which is the two. So this is the result in the spectrum analyzer. As you can see, like frequency. So frequency in in megahertz. Sorry. So when I have spoken louder, when I have spoken, then you can see the smaller rays during here, like more than 20. 15 to between 15 to 20 kilohertz, you can see the lights dimming in. So these are the spectrum analyzer, and then we will go about result time scope. So this is where I spoken. I mean, for the 6 second. So you can see here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, in which the 6 second I spoke. So uh, it has been stopped on 6 seconds. I will show it on here exactly. So this is my code, which I have already written it, because I did not want to waste my time. So that's why I wrote it. It isn't mean too much. So I will just run it. Yeah, I will run it. It should take some time. I've got multiple warnings, but no actual threats, so no problem. Okay, there it go. Yeah. So I am telling now. Look, now as you saw that there was the time scope and the spectrum analyzer. So whenever I was telling something, then you can see the voice that are increasing or decreasing. And it stopped on 10 seconds, as I recalled. I should so as I recalled, it stopped after 10 seconds, and then this. You can see time scope. So that is where I stopped at 9 seconds. So it is between 0 to 10. You can see here. This is the time scope. I will show it. So that's how. Yes, yeah. This has been stopped on 0 to 9 seconds, which I where I stopped, and this is it. The function of hearing aid. It is a simple hearing aid actually, which has no other than functions like this. So I think that is this is all. Uh, I will go back to the PPT. Thank you. If any questions, please ask in my mail. Thank you.